Hello everyone. Today you are watching Vaninomics and myself Gaurav Kumar Vani, and today we are going to learn simple averaging in R software, how to calculate mean of a variable in R software. So let's proceed further. So in R software, if you want to calculate some mean of a variable, let's first get data. And to get data, first we'll write a script so that we can import the data from somewhere else. So we have some data on Excel sheet. So this is the data of revenue for some stores named from A to J. And then we go to R software and write some script. Revenue is equals to read.delim, then put a bracket open. Then we want data from clipboard, so obviously we'll write within quotes clipboard. And then since our data has header, so we'll write header is equals to true, or just writing capital T will also suffice. Let's close the bracket. Then let's go to Excel sheet, then copy this data with control plus C. Once we have copied the data, right, then we can go to R software and press Control plus R, Control R. So once you do Control R, your command has run without any error. So the next thing is to check whether data has come properly or not. It's in the shape which we require or not. So the data has come in a data frame and we are going to check it. So let's write revenue. So it will automatically show first 6 rows. So after doing Control R, we see our data has come. It automatically shows first 6 row by default. And since data has come, the next process is to calculate average. So average is also called mean, arithmetic mean. So here command is mean, or the function is mean. So write within the quotes brackets first name of the data set, then name of the variable. So I have copied the name of the variable. So revenue in small case is the name of the data set, then dollar name of the variable. Once we do Control R, we get result, that is 1460.